Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est jeudi le 8 novembre et je vous présente ce que nous avons fait aujourd'hui en classe de 2 pré-AP. D'abord, nous avons fait l'échauffement. L'échauffement, c'était un dessin animé et on a parlé de ces personnages-ci. Ce personnage, c'est le professeur et ce personnage, c'est l'élève. And we discussed what these words meant. So we went through it and we determined that we knew more than we thought. And so you can ask one of your buddies what we determined they were talking about. So that was our warm-up. Okay. Ensuite, nous avons révisé le verbe être et je vais vous montrer sur Français 2 de pré-AP, notes et activités. Nous avons fait l'activité être, activité 2. So we did this handout and we corrected it together. Use appropriate forms of the verb être and listed locations to tell where everyone is. Pay attention to the sentence that is given because it is a clue to their location. So, for example, les Morels, the Morels mangent des hamburgers et des frites. So, where would the Morels eat hamburgers and fries? Well, normally it would be au fast food. So you write a complete sentence. They are at the fast food restaurant. So, ils, and the form of être that goes with il plural is sont au fast food. So, we did that. And then the next one, j'écoute le professeur de biologie. Okay, where would someone listen to biology teacher? It would be au lycée. The subject is je. So, we use the correct form of être. And yes, you can use your notes. Je suis au lycée. And so forth and so on. So, we did this together. I'm not going to do it here because I want you to do it yourself, okay? And then we traded and graded, or rather we didn't trade and grade, we just corrected it. And we put this on page, I don't remember. I'd have to look at my notebook. But anyway, it ended up going into a page in our notebook. Okay, ensuite, qu'est-ce qu'on a fait après? On a révisé les endroits, okay? So, we went, I haven't done twice. Okay, so the next thing we did was we looked at our places again. And we reviewed the places, okay? So, we went through and we talked about what we did at each place, okay? Like yesterday's video, all right? We talked about what we did at each place. And I left the vocabulary up here on the screen. After we reviewed it, then we went and we filled in an activity called the places activity. Okay? And in the places activity, you had to draw or write something that would help you remember what each place meant. For example, chez moi means at my house or at home, but you were not allowed to use the words that defined the place. So you had to draw a picture, maybe draw a picture of a house, or write words that would represent your home, that would remind you, but you could not use at my house or at home or any combination thereof. The same thing with la piste de roller, le café, all of these. You had to come up with ways of demonstrating what these places were without using the actual definition. Okay? So I have all of the places listed. Now, when you get this, it'll be front and back. It won't be 2 pages. And then we also put this in our notebook. But we did not finish this. So they're going to work on this tomorrow. And then we're going to play Gimkit after that. But today, that's all we did. We reviewed the places, we did the places activity, and we did the être activity. And that is it.